Gabriella here. So let's go ahead and pull up Gabriella's shop next. We're going to get some of our Facebook attendees today. All right, guys, we've got Paintings for Darlings by Gabriella. And let's check it out. Paintings for Darlings. I love the little aesthetics. We got some cute little animals, bouncing around here. And nursery wall art, nursery paintings, baby room decor. Okay, let's check it out. Awesome. Glad you are still here, Jackie. We'll get to you. And let's see. We've got Valentine teddy bear painting, Valentine art, Valentine's gift for her, Valentine's gift for him, gift 3D canvas. All right. So really cute. Now I know Valentine's Day is in like 2 days, so there's only so much you could do with this guy beforehand. But I'd like to see, whenever you're doing a painting, I think some of the other essential photos are going to be a photo of the back showing how it's going to hook onto the wall. Some more photos kind of showing off the sizing of it as well. So maybe a ruler going down the side of it right here so I can see how long it is or how wide it is. That'd be really nice to see as well. Let's check out this one. Ooh, that is cool. That's a great photo right there. Custom painting. Oh, perfect. So it still sells right there. Custom nursery art, custom painting. You got all the different dimensions there. There we go. Like that. Showing it off in somebody's room, how it could be, sitting up there looking cute. That's really good to have. Dun, dun, dun. Ha 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 ha. Girls rule. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. Great product there. Let's see. Let's look at this bunny nursery print, animal nursery decor, gender neutral nursery, clouds and stars, nursery wall art, baby room decor, nursery canvas print. So great keywords there. Lots of good keywords there. And here we go. That's nice to see as well. I like to see what it looks like when you actually receive it. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So we're showing it off, all the important details. How does it hook onto the wall? How does it look? How big is it? And we got a few more examples here. Although I'd love to see, on these examples, these images are a little out of place because it's not really the kind of place it's going to be presented. I think your image of this one on a wall in a nursery is much better. If you could actually Photoshop this little bunny painting into this photo, this is the perfect nursery photo. Like, it's really, really good. And I bet you could get it Photoshopped onto that pretty easily. So I would kind of recommend doing something like that. But the keywords on this one are really good. Yeah, your artwork is very, very cute, Gabriella. Really, really talented. Let's check this one out here. Winter Wonderland Safari. Ha ha. Okay, so this one right here, we've got, this is probably your big keyword right here. So the Winter Wonderland Nursery, like I said, there's not really, you don't have the word print attached to it, so it's not really fully fleshed out. This keyword, Safari Animal Nursery Print, is probably better. Safari Animal Nursery Print. Wow, bigger than I would have thought. 48,000. Let's try giraffe. 13,000. Giraffe Animal Nursery Print. We can just do giraffe nursery print. There we go. 16,104. So that's a great keyword. That one would be better for that listing. Just going giraffe nursery print. And then you could also try some like giraffe nursery decor, giraffe nursery wall art, and some others like that. But yeah, I'd say work on your keywords. I think your photos are really good. They're very, very cute. And you've really got some incredible talent. You could probably link up to your custom art. This one, you could put a link to this listing and a lot of your other ones. So right down here, you could put something that just says, hey, want a completely custom painting? Click here to see my custom painting listing and drive people to this listing from your other ones. Because these ones are going to rank a lot easier and they've got better keywords to get ranked for. But there's going to be people that land on this that want to get whatever they want. And if you put a link to this listing, it'll make it easier for them to find this product and therefore easier for you to make a few more sales.